मन से कहो राम राम राम, राम राम राम, राम राम राम, श्री राम राम राम। पाप कटे दुख मिटे लेत राम नाम, भव समुद्र सुखद नाव एक राम नाम, परम शांति सुख निदान दिव्य राम नाम, निराधार को आधार एक राम नाम, माता पिता बंधु सखा सब ही राम नाम, भक्त जन जीवन जन एक राम नाम, भक्त जन जीवन जन एक राम नाम, राम राम राम, राम राम राम, राम राम राम, श्री राम राम राम, राम राम राम, राम राम राम, श्री राम राम राम।
Om Shri Sai Ram, offering my humble tribute at Bhagwan's lotus feet and a hearty welcome, loving Sai Ram, happy Dashera to you all. I welcome you to the second episode of Bhajan Utsav. And before we begin this episode, I would want to talk about the lyrics in three different bhajans. The first bhajan says, Prema mudita man se kaho Ram Ram Ram. The second bhajan says, Ram kaho ya Krishna kaho, Ishwar Allah Sai kaho. And the third bhajan says, Ye naam sare hai जीवन सहारे, जो नाम चाहो वो नाम बोलो, प्रेम से बोलो भाव से बोलो. And this Prem Se Bolo Bhav Se Bolo part takes us back to the first bhajan, Prema Mudita Man Se Kaho Ram Ram Ram. Brothers and sisters, as Bhagwan has told us, love all, serve all. He has told us to keep our hearts filled with love every time, at every given moment. And so when we sing bhajans, if our heart is filled with love, if the Prema Mudita Man comes into being, then our bhajans will always reach the divine lotus feet. With that thought in mind, let's begin the second episode of Bhajan Utsav and let's meet the teams. Representing Team Satya, today is the Bandra Khar Santa Cruz Samiti.
Sai Ram, I'm Nakul Sanadi from the Santa Cruz Committee. Really happy to be a part of this Bhajan Utsav. I think it's a great initiative.
Sai Ram, my name is Brother Kiran Mehra.
Sai Ram, I am Ramya Unikrishnan.
My name is Sai Sangeeta, and I think I need Swami to participate through me because I'm really nervous.
Team Dharma today is being represented by the Andheri Vileparle Samiti.
Sai Ram, I am Shrishant Shetty from Andheri Samiti.
Sai Ram, my name is Archana. We are from Andheri Samiti. Yeah, I am Vandana from Andheri Samiti.
Sai Ram, I am Arjun Rao, offering myself at the Lotus Feet of Bhagwan. I'm extremely thrilled to be a part of this Bhajan Utsav.
Team Shanti in today's match is the Jogeshwari Goregaon Malad Samiti.
Sai Ram, my name is Namita Tambe. I belong to the Jogeshwari Malad Goregaon Samiti.
I am Preeti Krishnan.
My name is Sai Pragyan.
Sai Ram, this is Vinay, and looking forward to this Bhajan Utsav to have lots of fun and also to learn a lot.
And finally, Team Prema is the Kandivali Borivali Dahisar Samiti of Mumbai.
Pranams at the Lotus Feet. I am Shailesh Tambali from Kandivali Borivali Dahisar Samiti.
Sai Ram everyone, I'm Suma.
My name is Shivanshu Murata.
Myself Jayesh from the Borivali Samiti.
It's time we start the first round of today's match, and it's called Geet Vahini. Geet Vahini, as you know, it's a simple Antakshari round where the teams will have to start a bhajan with the last letter of the previous bhajan. And for every correct bhajan, they will get 20 love points.
Govinda Gopal Prabhu Giridhari, Govinda Gopal Hridaya Vihari, Govinda Gopal Hridaya Vihari, Govinda.
Devi Sai Devi Saraswati
Mata Mata Sai Mata, Jagat Mata Sai Vishwa Mata. Tum ho Ram, tum ho Shyam, Bhakton ke pran Bhagwan Sai Ram. Sita Ram, Radhe Shyam, Ek Prabhu Bhagwan Sai Ram. Bhakton ke pran Bhagwan Sai Ram.
मन एक बार हरि बोल, हरि हरि बोल, हरि बोल, मन एक बार हरि बोल.
लंबोदर हे गौरी नंदन, विघ्न विनाशक शुभानना.
नारायण हरि नारायण, हरि नारायण वेद पारायण. नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय, नमो भगवते रामरूपाय, नमो भगवते श्यामरूपाय, नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय. राम रहीम कृष्ण करीम शुद्ध महावीर, सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई देवाय, सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई देवाय.
युग युग के अवतार तुम्ही हो, मेरे राम मेरे श्याम, शिरडी साई परती राम, जग के पालनहार तुम्ही हो.
And now let's change the rule a little bit. Henceforth, the teams will have to start a bhajan with the last word of the previous bhajan. Because Team Prema ended the bhajan with the word Tum Hi Ho, may I request Team Satya to start a bhajan with the word Tum Hi Ho or Tum Ho.
Just one query.
अनाथ नाथ भगवान, ओ साई मेरे प्राण सखा भगवान।
भगवान भगवान पतित पावन दया करो दया करो दया करो भगवान।
भगवान कृष्ण नमो भगवान कृष्ण नमो पतित पावन पतितोद्धारण चंद्र नमो
नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
Sairam brother, Team Prema, this is a repeat bhajan. Team Shanti just sang it in the same round, so we would not be able to give you the score on this one. But you ended with Devaya. So moving on, Team Satya, you can start a bhajan with Devaya or Deva.
देवोत्तम दीन संरक्षक देवाधिदेवा दयामया।
दयामया हे करुणा निधान साई।
Brother Sushant, I think that's Daya Karo, not Daya Maya.
दया करो।
That's दया करो है।
दया करो है करुणा निधान।
Team Dharma, you missed this. Let's move on. Team Shanti, can you sing a bhajan with Daya Maya?
दया मया
Hare Ram Hare कृपा मया श्री साई हरे धर्म स्वरूपा राम हरे प्रेम स्वरूपा साई हरे।
हरे राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे।
And that brings us to the end of this round, Geet Vahini. Let's quickly have a look into the scores. At the end of the first round, Team Satya and Team Shanti are at 80 love points. Team Dharma and Team Prema are following very close with 60 love points. Now it's time for my favorite part in a Bhajan Utsav match. It's called the Bhajan Break. And in these Bhajan Breaks, we listen to divine, melodious, beautiful bhajans. And to start today's Bhajan Break, may I request Brother Srishant from Team Dharma to take us through a divine journey with the Lord.
माता जगत जननी अम्बा मंदहास वदनी मनोहरि साई जगत जननी अम्बा मंदहास वदनी माता जगत जननी माता 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 जगत जननी जगत जननी शुभ करीनी जगत जननी शुभ करीनी साई जगन्माता सत्य साई जगन्माता सत्य साई जगन्माता सत्य साई जगन्माता अम्बा मंदहास वदनी मनोहरि साई जग जननी.
It's now time to introduce the second round in today's match, and it is called the Divine Magnet. The Divine Magnet is a very interesting round because the teams will be getting 90 seconds time to sing as many bhajans as they can, starting with any word from the previous bhajans. With every correct bhajan, they will be able to win 10 love points, which means the more number of bhajans they sing, the more number of love points they will be able to score. So let's see how our teams perform in this round. We will begin with Team Dharma.
Jaya Jaya Rama Janaki Rama Jaya Jaya Rama Janaki Rama.
राम राम सुमिर मन राम सुमिर मन
राम भक्त हनुमान जय जय महाबली हनुमान. राम भक्त हनुमान जय जय महाबली हनुमान.
राम 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 भजो मन हरे हरे. साई राम भजो मन हरे हरे.
हरे 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 मुरारे साई राम हरे मुरारे श्याम.
राम राम साई राम साई राम साई राम.
साई 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 प्रेम दे शांति दे आनंद दे बाबा प्रेम दे.
साई साई अवतारा युग अवतारा. साई साई बाबा गीत सुधा मधुरम मधुरम आनंदम. साई साई बाबा सकल भुवन के दाता. साई 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 तेरा नाम सत्य साई बाबा तेरा नाम.
साई साई माता साई.
साई साई कन्हैया साई कन्हैया.
Well done Team Dharma, 120 love points goes to you. Great job. Let's move on to Team Shanti. Here's your audio.
सर्वधर्म स्वरूपा साई
सर्वधर्म स्वरूपा साई
सर्वधर्म स्वरूपा साई
सर्वधर्म स्वरूपा साई.
साई साई नारायण 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 हरि नारायण 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 हरि नारायण हरि नारायण वेद पारायण नारायण नारायण हरि नाम भजो रे नारायण वेद पारायण. भजो रे मनवा सद्गुरुदेवा देवा देव देवोत्तम दीन संरक्षक दीना दीन बांधवा बाबा दया सागरा. बाबा बाबा आओ मेरे कीर्तन में आओ आओ प्यारे नयन हमारे साई हमारे आओ. साई 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 स्मरण करो गुरु चरण कमल ध्यान करो. गुरु गुरुदेवा गुरु गोविंदा गोविंदा गोविंद मुरारी माधवा गोविंद गोपाल केशवा 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 माधवा.
And time is up. Time is up. Team Shanti, 13 correct bhajans and you win 130 love points. And Sister Priti, well done. You kind of nailed it all by yourself. Amazing, amazing.
Sai
Sai Ram. And let's now move on to Team Prema. And here's your audio.
नाथ नाथ साई तुम हो अंतर्यामी नाथ नाथ साई तुम हो अंतर्यामी
हे गोविंद हे नंद नंद गोपाला मोहन न मुरलीधरा श्याम गोपाला
गोपाला गोपाला गोपाला राधे नंद लाला गोविंद गोपाला राधे नंद लाला नंद लाला
राधे
राधे
Sing. Quick.
नंद लाला
गोविंदा गोविंद गोपाला
गोपाल गोपाला गोपाला
गोपाला राधा लोला
मुरली
लोला नंदलाला
नंदलाला
गोपाला गोपाला नाचो गोपाला नाचो नाचो साई नंदलाला
साई दिल बंधु सखा तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम
तेरे सिवा प्रभु कोई नहीं है
तुझको मेरा प्रणाम
प्रणाम प्रणाम
प्रणाम प्रणाम
प्रणाम स्वीकार करो साई महादेवा
Team Prema, a little bit of confusion there, but you managed to sing 8 correct bhajans, so that gets you 80 love points. Well done. Let's move on to the next team, Team Satya.
जय जय देवा जगदीश देवा जय जय देवा जगदीश देवा जय जय देवा जगदीश देवा
जय जय रामा जान
राम राम सुमि राम
राम भजो हरे हरे राम राम हरे
हरे मुरारी हरे श्याम
श्याम श्यामल कोमल कृष्ण
कृष्ण कृष्ण कृष्ण मन मोहन कांताय धुनंदना
Not audible. Priyan Bhaiya, not
Krishna,
audible.
Krishna, Madhava, Krishna.
कृष्ण
Krishna Madhava.
Repeat. This has just been done. Repeat.
कृष्णा
Brother Kiran, you are not audible.
कृष्ण गोपाल यदुनंदना
Krishna Rama Govinda
गोविंदा गोविंदा गोपाल प्रभु गिरिधारी गिरिधारी मुरारी गोविंदा
Govinda Murahara Madhava.
Govinda Krishna Devo.
And time is up. Brother Kiran, we were not able to hear a lot of the bhajans that you were singing because of connectivity issues. But the rest of the team, Team Satya, you did amazingly well because you scored 140 love points in this round. So with that, we end the second round of Bhajan Utsav. Let's have a look into the scores. At the end of the second round, Team Prema is at 140 love points, Team Dharma is at 180 love points, Team Shanti is at 210 love points, and leading the chart at the moment, Team Satya with 220 love points. It's now time for another bhajan break, and this time let's go to Sister Ramya from the Satya team. Sister, over to you. Take us through a beautiful divine journey.
Om Jagat Janani Sai Mata. Om Jagat Janani रूपिणी साई माता ओंकार रूपिणी साई माता ओम जगत जननी साई माता अभय प्रदायिनी साई माता अभय प्रदायिनी साई माता साई माता साई माता साई माता सत्य साई माता अनाथ रक्षकी साई माता अनाथ रक्षकी साई माता अनाथ रक्षकी साई माता ओम जगत जननी साई माता
For those of you who are watching us on YouTube, here's your chance to be a part of Bhajan Utsav. Just answer this question. In February 1946, the first Akhand Bhajan program was held. Where was it? Puttaparthi, Bangalore, Mumbai. If you know the answers, do let us know through the comment section below and we will publish the names of the lucky winners. It's time to move on to the next round of Bhajan Utsav, and it is called Guess the Bhajan. Guess the Bhajan is a visual round where the teams will be getting a picture on the screen and a bhajan will be hidden within that picture. So the teams will have to decode that picture and identify the bhajan. To do this, they will get 1 minute time. If the teams can identify the bhajan in the first 30 seconds, they will be able to score 100 love points. If they identify the bhajan after 30 seconds, then they get to score 50 love points. Team Shanti, if you are ready, the picture for you is here. What do you think? What is this?
Hara something.
Hara, Ghadi clock, Krishna, Radha, Lola.
Radha Lola, yeah.
Radha. What is this second? Samay.
30 seconds up. Hare Murari. No, Hare.
Gopala Radha Lola.
Absolutely correct. Team Shanti, can you explain how did you get the bhajan?
Green stands for go. The second part I didn't crack. Pal. Pala means pal. Gopala Radha Lola.
Beautiful. You could crack that after 30 seconds. So 50 love points goes to you. Can you sing the bhajan?
Gopala, Radha Lola, Murali Lola, Nandalala, Keshava Madhava Janardana, Vanamala, Vrindavana Pala, Murali Lola, Nandalala.
Beautiful, Team Shanti. Congratulations once again. Let's move to Team Prema.
Ayodhya, Bihari, Dasharath, Ayodhya, Dasharath, Rama, Ayodhya, Vasi,
Ayodhya Vasi Ram, 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 Dasharath.
No, this is not
Ayodhya.
30 seconds over. Ayodhya is fine. What is the next one? Dasharatha Rama is fine. What is the middle? What is in the middle?
Ayodhya.
And time is up. Team Prema, you could figure Ayodhya correctly, you could figure Dasharatha Rama correctly, but there were 3 pictures in the middle that you could not identify. Can anyone guess what bhajan this is?
I can.
Ayodhya Shiromani.
Shiromani Dasharatha Rama.
Absolutely right, and let's listen to the correct bhajan.
Ayodhya Shiromani Dasharatha Rama साके करण जरा कैवल्य धामा
Let's move on to the next team, Team Satya. What do you think?
मानस भज रे गुरु चरणम
Absolutely correct, Team Satya. 100 love points to you. That is amazing. Just a few days back, on October 20th, we celebrated the Avatar Divas of Bhagwan. And back in 1940, on 20th of October, Swami was a little 14-year-old boy. And after declaring his avataric mission, he sang Manas Bhajore Guru Charanam.
Manas Bhajare Guru Charanam Vishtara Brahma Sagar Taranam.
What he told us was to leave all our worries, to leave everything at his divine lotus feet, and that he will take care of all of us. And that is surrender.
Bhajare Guru Charanam Vishtara Brahma Sagar Taranam.
Moving on, Team Dharma, here's the picture for you. What do you think?
Srishant Pranava Hari Om.
Absolutely correct. 100 love points to you, Team Dharma. You have to sing it, sing it, sing it.
Pranava Swarupa Hari Om Sai Narayana Hari Om.
So that brings us to the end of this round, and now let's quickly have a look into the scores. After 3 rounds, Team Prema is at 140 love points, Team Shanti is at 260 love points, Team Dharma is at 280 love points, and still leading the chart, Team Satya with 320 love points. And now it's time for another bhajan break, and this time Brother Pragnan from Team Shanti is going to present his offering.
Shankari Bhaktava Shankari Ma Shankari Bhaktava Shankari Ma Sankataharini Sai Ma Sankataharini Sai Ma Pranavaswarupini Premadayini Pranavaswarupini Premadayini Partipurishwari Palayama Partipurishwari Palayama Mangalakarini Manjula Bhashini Mangalakarini Manjula Bhashini Jnanadayini Sai Ma Jnanadayini Sai Ma Sai Ma Sai Ma Satya Sai Ma शङ्करि भक्तवशङ्करि मां सङ्कटहारिणि साई मां.
It's time to now move on to the next round, and it is called Shravanam. Shravanam is an audio round where the teams will get to hear one line from a bhajan. They will get 30 seconds to identify the first line. If they do it correctly, then they get 50 love points. We will begin this round with Team Prema, so here's the audio for you.
Shri Hari Hari Om Hari Narayana.
I can play the audio once again. What do you think?
Yes, yes.
Yes, but your time is already ticking.
Shri Hari Hari Om Hari Narayana.
20 seconds. Now heading to 30 seconds and time is up. Team Prema, I'm so sorry you could not guess that. Anyone else from any other team, can you guess which bhajan this is?
बोलो राम साई राम सत्य साई राम सत्य राम साई राम हरि का नाम श्री हरि हरि बोल हरि नारायण भज मन बातु सत्य नारायण.
Moving on, Team Satya, if you are ready, here's your audio.
Devaki Tanaya Nandalaya.
घनश्यामा सुंदरा
देवकी तनया हे नंदलाला
Absolutely correct, and that scores you 50 love points, Team Satya. Very well done, congratulations. Moving on, Team Dharma, here's your audio.
Yes, Srishant. Ram Ram.
Audio was not much audible to me.
Audio was very short.
I can tell you again, time has started already.
सीताराम राम राम भजो मन
The word was Patita Pavana Sitaram.
सीताराम साई.
Time is up. Team Dharma, I'm so sorry.
One doubt I had, got the audio.
पतित पावन सीताराम.
So actually this line comes in two bhajans actually. So bhajan which we guessed and also had a similar tune with that those lyrics.
पतित पावन सीताराम साई राम भजो मन हरे हरे.
No. Team Dharma, I'll tell you, there's a little difference. The bhajan that you are singing, Ram Ram Bhajo Man Hare Hare, this also has the line Patita Pavan Sitaram. This tune is different than the one that we played. The one that we played was Patita Pavan Sitaram, and that follows with Shri Ram Jaya Ram Jaya Jaya Ram, Shri Ram Jaya Ram Jaya Jaya Ram, Shri Ram 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 Yadunandan He Ghanshyam.
Okay, buddy.
Yeah, because of course, like in bhajans, we have so many similar words in so many bhajans, right? So we'll have
there are so many versions also of the same tune. I mean, someone may sing it so diff, so thoda confusion ho jata.
no problem, but I hope I could clarify your doubt.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Thank you, Bharat. It was good.
yeah. So moving on, it's now time for Team Shanti to play Shravanam.
सुंदर मुख श्री गजानना.
Absolutely correct.
गजानना ऋषि मुनि वंदित शुभानना.
Amazing, and that scores you 50 love points, Team Shanti. Congratulations. With that, we come to the end of this round. Let's have a quick look into the scores. After the end of 4 rounds, Team Prema is at 140 love points, Team Dharma is at 280 love points, Team Shanti is at 310 love points. Still leading the chart with 370 love points is Team Satya. It's time for another bhajan break, and this time may I request Sister Suma from the Prema team to offer a divine melodious bhajan at Bhagwan's lotus feet.
Abhaya Pradayini Mata Mahalakshmi, Abhaya Pradayini Mata Mahalakshmi, Alankara Rupini Mata Mahalakshmi, Alankara Rupini Mata Mahalakshmi, Abhaya Pradayini Mata Mahalakshmi, Mata Mahalakshmi, Sai Mahalakshmi, Mata Mahalakshmi, Sai Mahalakshmi, Anandadayini Mata Mahalakshmi, Anandadayini Mata Mahalakshmi, Amritavarshini Mata Mahalakshmi, Amritavarshini Mata Mahalakshmi, Mata Mahalakshmi, Sai Mahalakshmi, Mata Mahalakshmi, Sai Mahalakshmi, Abhaya Pradayini Mata Mahalakshmi.
You're watching Bhajan Utsav, and it's now time to introduce the 5th and the final round of today's match. It is called Solve the Puzzle. Solve the Puzzle is very interesting because the entire scoreboard can change after this round. Let me tell you how. Any one word from a bhajan will be given on the screen, and if the team can identify the first line of the bhajan from that one word, they get 200 love points. If they cannot, then after 20 seconds, another word will be given. And if they can identify the bhajan after these 2 words are given, they will be able to win 100 love points. If not, after 20 seconds, they will get the third word. If the team can identify the bhajan with these 3 words, they will be able to get 70 love points. If not, after 20 seconds, the 4th word will be given on the screen. And now if the team can identify the first line, then they get 50 love points. If they still cannot identify the bhajan, then the 5th word will be given after another 20 seconds and the score would come down to 30 love points. If the teams cannot identify the bhajan after these 5 words are given, then they will not be able to score anything in this round. Team Satya, if you are ready, here's the first word for you. 8 words. Hari.
Hari Narayana, Hari Narayana, Hari Narayana.
That's not 8 words. That's not 8 words. Let's move on to the next. 20 seconds. Now, you get another word, Sai.
Hare Krishna, Hare Ram, Sai Ram, Sai Ram. Gopal Govinda Bolo Jai Sai Ram.
Okay, interesting. And let's see what the next. Just keep guessing. What do you think? Third word is on the screen. What do you think now? What do you think now? You just said, does that match?
Hare Krishna, Hare Ram, Sai Nam it says.
This is Sai Nam.
Hari Naam Gate Chalo, Sai Naam Gate Chalo.
Hari Naam Gate Chalo, Sai Naam Gate Chalo. Congratulations, Team Satya. You win 70 love points. And moving on, it's time for Team Dharma to play this round. Ram is on the third word. Ram is the third word.
Ram Sai, Ram
Ram Ram Ram Param
Ram Sai.
Ram Ram Param Sumangala Ram Ram.
Okay, interesting. Those bhajan aaya. Okay, let's move on to the next. Let's move on to the next.
Ram Sai.
And
Ram Ram Param Sumangala Ram Ram Ram.
Okay, so Srishant is saying Ram 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 Paramasumangale Ram Ram Ram. And let's go to the third. Now, what do you think?
Ram 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 Paramasumangala Ram Ram Ram.
Okay, Srishant has been saying it right from the very beginning. And Vandana Archana is saying
Ram Sai, Ram Sai.
And
Ram Ram Ram.
what do you think now?
I stick with Srishant's bhajan.
Ram 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 Paramasumangale Ram 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 is what you are saying?
So we have to lock it, or
You have already said it. So
keep guessing.
Yeah, you can keep guessing.
Keep guessing. Arjun and Srishant.
Ram 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 Paramasamangal Ram Ram.
Oh, yes.
I think now the team will be locking in, right? What do you think?
We are locked in.
Team Dharma, congratulations! You win 200 love points.
Yay!
This is incredible. I mean, as I was telling you in the beginning, that this round can just change the scoreboard.
Amazing, Srishant. Good show.
Moving on, Team Shanti. Here's the first word for you. Krishna in the second place.
Hare Krishna, Hare
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. There was another option.
Hare Krishna, Hare Ram, Sai Ram, Sai Ram.
Okay, so let's go with these two options that you are saying. Now, what do you think? I don't think any of these options work, right? Because the last word is Krishna again.
Krishna Govinda, Krishna Gopala Bala Krishna.
Okay. Let's move into the third word. It is also Krishna. Krishna again. Guess, keep guessing, Team Shanti. And time.
Murali Krishna, Mukunda Krishna,
Mohan Krishna. Yes. Yes.
Absolutely correct, Team Shanti. You got this after 3 words were given to you. So by that logic, you win 70 love points. So many congratulations. Very well done. And let's now move on to Team Prema. Jay. Jay is the very first word. Jay is the very first word. 8 words are there.
Jai Jai Krishna,
Jai Jai Bhavani Ma Ambe Bhavani Ma
Jai Jai Ganapati Deva.
Deva.
But see, there are 8 words. 8 words. Jai Jai Ganapati Deva. Think of it as a whole. Think of it as a whole. 20 seconds again.
Jai Mahadaya.
Jai Ma, Jai Ma, Jai Ma, Sai Ma.
Sai is the second last word is Jai. 3 words. Even now, moving on to the 4th word now. So Jai, every alternate word is Jai. What do you think? Every alternate word is Jai. And moving on.
No.
What do you think now? You have got another word, Madhusudana, at the end. I think I can see a lot of other team members.
Jaya 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 Jaya.
And time is up. Team Prema, you could not identify this. It's very simple. Jai 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 Manamohana. Jai 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 Madhusudana. And that brings us to the end of this match. Let's have a look into the final scores. After 5 rounds, Team Prema is at 140 love points, Team Shanti is at 380 love points, Team Satya is at 440 love points, and surprising everyone and moving straight into the semi-finals, Team Dharma with 480 love points. As I said in the last match also, everyone is an equal winner in Bhagwan's eyes. So Team Satya, Dharma, Shanti, Prema, you can congratulate yourselves because you did amazingly well. All of you are winners. And Team Dharma, Andheri Vileparle Samiti, because you have the maximum scores on the scoreboard today, you are moving on to the semi-finals. But for the rest of the teams, your journey is not yet over. There are lots of surprises, twists and turns that we will slowly unfold, and you can be back in this game anytime. And for those of you who are watching us on YouTube, I thank you all for your time. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel, and most importantly, keep chanting the name of the Divine Lord through his bhajans. I wish you all a very happy Dashera once again. Om Shri Sai Ram.
समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु शांति शांति शांति